So this is how you can allow access to your camera on the YouTube app on the iPhone. So let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time here, you can subscribe so you do not miss quick tips and videos like this one. So of course, have the YouTube app downloaded from the App Store. You can get inside, and if you want to like trigger the camera pop-up, just click on the plus button at the bottom, and it's gonna ask you to like upload a video, or it's gonna go over to the like camera mode if you go to the shorts. But the point is to get to the section where your camera needs to be accessed. And once you get there, if you haven't accessed the camera before, you're gonna get a pop-up asking you if you want to allow it or not, right? So that is the crucial part. You have to enable it, and yeah, then it's gonna be functional and working well. But of course, if you change your mind later, you can always return to the settings app, scroll to the privacy and security section where the camera access is going to be located. So you can find the list of all of the apps which asked for the permission to use your camera. And in here, you can revoke the access, or, re-enable it, whatever. You can control it right away. So as you can see, I have the YouTube right here as a toggle, so I can always just change my mind later. But that is generally how it works. It's pretty simple in that regard. So in case that there are some questions about this, leave them below in the comments. But that would be about it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.